Good morning, everyone. Today is April 4. Now, I think you miss Wilhelmina. You haven't seen me for a while. Yes, I was in overseas. I was having a holiday to visit my loved one in overseas. And when I returned, I was struck by severe flu. I got pneumonia. But now I'm recovering. So that's why you haven't seen Wilhelmina for a while. And I was being asked by followers that, well, Amina, I haven't seen you. They sent me a message. So I told them that I cannot talk because I keep on coughing. Now I'm recovering. That's why I'm here, live video, in order for me to answer the questions of this small trader who asked question. Now, I'm back on the track. I monitor the movement of gold. The price of gold was ups and down because of the geopolitical situation between Israel and Iran and America. Now, going back on January 24, the price of gold was 4,090 4,987.82 per ounce. In dollars term was 160 378.36 per kilo. This is gold volume, this is refined. So I just want to recap. Now on January 26, the price of gold was 5,082.49 per ounce. In dollars term was 163,405.73 per kilo. So you must remember, listen very carefully in this video. We are not selling refined. We are here to sell raw material which is unrefined, called Doribar 22 plus, equivalent to 23. And the purity is from 96 to 97.5. So it differs from bar to bar. You must listen to this video properly. Do not be excited because you see Wilhelmina. Listen and digest it, what I explained to you. Now today, the price of gold is down, which is 4,676.4. In dollars term is 150,349.64. Can you see the difference? From January 26, 163, 405.73. And today, the price of gold was 150,000 150,349.64 per kilo. This is already refined. Now, we are selling 137.70 unrefined, which is 22 to 23 carats. The purity is from 96, 97. So put that into your mind that we are not selling refined. You are buying raw material for you to sell it to your end customer. For you to sell it to a refinery, for you to sell it to jewelry manufacturer. That is not my job. You are buying wholesale to us because Africa is the main source of supply. Now, you're gonna say, oh, why Wilhelmina is explaining? Yes, seller hired Wilhelmina to handle sales and marketing because the seller is tired dealing with time waster. The seller tired dealing with fake buyers. My seller is not fake. He's not. I've been to Africa. I sit down with my seller. They have tons of gold. You have been ripping off. You rip off the seller. You asked a lot of discount. At the end of the day, you become multi-millionaire. When I sit down with my seller, I told my seller, my gosh, you were being ripped off by this international buyer. When they resell it, they are getting handsome profit. You can sell to your own customer 2.5 lucky because supply is high demand and the seller is in control. I'm just telling you, I'm the one who softened the seller's heart to give way, to give you a leeway in order for you to get the profit so that you can come back. You will never come back if you don't get a handsome profit, isn't it? Now, I know you've been dealing with a lot of fake offer. Go for it. There's a lot. There's a lot of seller offer under value. But does the seller have a license to sell to you? Does the seller have a license to export to you? That's my question. And you, do you have a license to bring it to your destination? Did you register your company? Where the gold to be brought? So I need to know if you're registered in your company, because when you come for conference with Wilhelmina, I'm going to ask you, how did you get my number? Why you want to talk to Wilhelmina? And then you're going to ask Wilhelmina, how much is the price? You don't need to ask the price because you have not convinced Wilhelmina. You are a gold trader. You should know that. I know you've been reading the price of gold every day. So think about it. Don't be outsmart, because Wilhelmina is also smarter than you. You pretend to be dumb. You don't need to pretend to be dumb. I have to tell you straightforward so that you would not waste the time. Time is money. Okay? So, our selling price today is 137,070 on 22 plus. But if you convince Wilhelmina, if you show me your credential, when you come to Wilhelmina after you listen to this video, I don't want you to send me a message, hi, hello. You need to be straightforward. Hi, Wilhelmina, I watch your video. My name is Mr. So-and-so. I came from Spain. I came from Australia. I'm based in Dubai. I'm based in India. That's it. You are going to introduce yourself, because I'm very strict. If you don't introduce yourself, I'm going to block you. If you come to Messenger or WhatsApp, immediately I'm going to delete you, because I already explained this video. This is for you if you're a gold trader. But if you are just brokering online and then you're going to ask, how much is my commission? This is not for you. We are now on the world market. That's the reason why I promote Africa to the world. If you bump into this video, listen, you might gain knowledge, because I don't want to waste my time. I'm not here to teach people. I am here to assist the real buyer, not a joker broker. If you are joker broker, you want to make money, this is not for you, because you have no knowledge about Africa. If you are from Africa, you want to sell gold, go for it. But I don't entertain seller that cannot show his credential to me, because I need to know the sellers. I need to know the background of the seller. Now, my seller, Mali, Conakry, and Sierra Leone, I know because I have been to their office and I know I brought the buyer. So, I only deal Mali, Conakry, and Sierra Leone. Now, if you are from Dubai, the most direct flight is Conakry Emirates. Fly to Conakry from Dubai to Conakry only takes 7 hours, 7 or 8 hours. And you need to be prepared. And you're going to ask, well, Amina, which shipping agent? Well, you do the preparation. You need to know. Do not ask me, because I'm not here to teach you. Now, even though you ask me what shipping agent, if you're from Dubai, Emirates, use Emirates, because there's a branch Emirates in Conakry. If you are in Sierra Leone, you use RCL. They are based in United Kingdom. They are worldwide shipping agent. If you're buying gold in Mali, they have a different shipping agent, right? And in Mali, there are 4 refineries: DNGM, Kankamusa, Marina, and Russian refinery. You will not buy gold in Russian refinery, because they are not selling. They are getting all the raw materials from Mali, because they have an agreement that the Russian can get all raw material to bring it to Russia to refine it for their own interest. They become gold volume 99.99. You are buying 96 to 97 gold produced in Africa. You are buying raw material which is unrefined. Now, you're a gold trader. Don't pretend to be dumb. because you are buying gold in order for you to make money. Gold is money versus your paper money. There's a saying, he who has the gold makes the rule. The government in Africa is making the rules. You cannot take the gold out of the country until you pay the gold, until there is an export documentation. Now you're gonna say, oh, do I get the export documentation? Yes. When you pay the gold to the owner of the gold will prepare the export documentation because he is going to export to you. And the owner of the gold has a license to export to you. So you are going to receive the information of the seller once I vouch you, once I gather your information. Now, what information I'm going to ask you? I'm sorry, my partner doing some work and downstairs. Now, this is my home. I'm explaining to you guys because I don't want to keep on repeating. Now, when you submit your credential, like a copy of your business registration, importation license, passport copy, the proof of fund that you have standby $1 million into your bank account, and a copy of money laundering certificate. Without that, don't come to Wilhelmina. What a waste of time. You apply online money laundering certificate, be prepared, then you come to Wilhelmina. Don't ask me because I'm not here to educate you. You're a businessman, you should know that. So my information is vital. Digest it, comprehend it. Don't pretend to be dumb because you are not dumb. You are not. You just pretend it to be dumb in order to suck in the information. I already given you the information worth $1 million. Now, going back to the price today, I'm going to recall the price from January 24. The price of gold was $4,987.82 per ounce. In dollars term, $160,378.36 per kilo. This is a refined. Now on January 26, the price of gold goes up to $5,082.49 per ounce. In dollars term is $163,405.73 per kilo. This is already 99.99. Now this refine belong to the owner. They deposit that to the vault of central bank. I don't know. So that's not my job to tell you. Your job is to purchase raw materials. Your job is to sell it to your end customer. Your job is to bring it to your destination. That is your job. My job is to take you to gather your information. Then we have a contract, and we don't sell 1 kilo. We sell minimum at least 10 to 20 kilos to start with. Why? If you buy 1 kilo, you don't have any profit because there is a costing. Now, there was a Korean and also Taiwanese. They said, do you want to buy gold? But they asked me to bring gold to the airport. My dear, you are very dangerous. We don't bring gold to stranger. Before the gold leave the country of origin, you will receive all export documentation when you pay the gold. The gold cannot leave the country of origin without any payment. You will receive all the export documentation in order for you to claim it to your destination. We don't bring the gold to the airport. Now, when you bring the gold to the airport, you will inform the custom that you expecting gold from Africa. You have to show the invoice because if you don't have any export documentation, you are going to be considered as a smuggler. We don't smuggle gold. Must have an export documentation. Must. So don't waste your time. Don't pretend to be dumb because I'm very, very thorough. I'm going to interview you, and when you come for conference, I want to ask you to open your camera because I want to see you and I want to validate you and I want to understand our conversation. I am using business psychology. I can psychologize you whether you are wasting time. My time is not for free. I don't waste my time. That's why I always requested open your camera. And why are you scared to open your camera? Maybe you're a smuggler. Maybe you are mafia. Mafia and smuggler, they're scared to open their camera. Why? They're scared to be exposed. Now, during our conversation, when you open a camera, our conversation is recorded. You must remember, my system is automatically recorded. Why? Because when you muck around with us, I have a file. So don't be scared. Because why are you gonna be scared for? I'm not scared. Look at my face, are everywhere. And people say, oh, I don't like Wilhelmina. Wilhelmina is scammer. How much did I scam you? Tell me. Scam means a liar. Do I lie? You are the one who lied. You are. Because why are you gonna bring the gold to your destination? Why? And the buyer lied. There's a saying, buyers are lawyers. You must remember. I was in real estate. I've been in marketing for 36 years. Buying and selling, you have to pay for it. Buying and selling, you need to have a contract. Buying and selling, you need to know what product are you buying. Now, Mr. Buyer, I think you already seen Wilhelmina from different video, right? So I think it's enough for you to comprehend. Now, this video, this is April 4. Now, you haven't seen Wilhelmina because I was in overseas, and when I come back from my holiday, I was struck by severe flu. I got the pneumonia. Now I'm recovering. That's the reason why I'm here. I'm still a little bit of coughing, but at least I recover. I was being asked, Wilhelmina, I haven't seen you for a while. I think for 2 months. I said yes, because I was really sick. Now I'm recovering. I'm healthy. I'm here in my office. This is my home. My business is home base. Okay? Now you're gonna say, well, Amina, where is the gold? I don't have any gold here. The gold is in Africa. The gold is in Sierra Leone, which I represent the seller. The gold is in Mali, which I represent the seller. The gold is in Conakry, which I represent the seller. Now, in Mali, there are 4,500 small miner. They combine together their production, controlled by organization. Okay, the organization is in control. The small miner, they bring their dust gold, and then they combine together. They smelt into bar, and then the organization, they asked Wilhelmina to handle them. So I know the organization. Now, in Sierra Leone as well, they mine their own gold direct from their mines. They gather the dust gold. They wash the mud to get the dust gold. When they get the dust gold, they smelt into bar, bring it to the city, and ready for export. Exactly the same as in Conakry. So I hope you understand what I'm explaining. Eh? Now, going back to the price today. The price today is 4,676.40. I would like to recap. On January 24, the price of gold was 4,987.82 per ounce. In dollars term, is 160,378.36 per kilo. That is already refined. You must remember, I recap the price from January 24 to 26. Now on the 26th, January 26, the price of gold goes up to 5,082.49 per ounce. In dollars term, is 163,405.73. Can you see the difference? Now, because of the geopolitical situation, Iran attacked Israel and Israel attacked Iran and America. There was a geopolitical situation. The gold was down. Today, the price of gold is 4,676.40 per ounce. In dollars term, is 150,349.64. You got the point, Mr. Buyer? I just want to recap. Now, today, the price, okay, was 4,676.4 per ounce. in dollars term is 150,349.64 on Doribar, which is unrefined. Now, can you see the difference, Mr. Baya? Now, you're gonna say, oh, the gold is down. Correct, the gold was down. Yes, but it fluctuates. Now, the gold will rebound because if you're watching the international news between Israel and Iran, it would bounce back because Iran and America are doing some negotiation. A minute that the negotiation will go through, the price goes up. Now, there is a prediction that end of 2026, the price of gold will rise to 6,000 per ounce. Now, on 6,000 per ounce, 6,000 times 32.15, the price of gold could be 192,900. Could be. So while the gold price is down, take advantage. Keep it. Buy now and keep it. And when the price goes up, that is the time you release it to your own customer. Why? The seller is watching the world market. The seller is in control. He knows the price. The owner of the gold, he knows the price. And the owner of the gold, that which is my seller, they communicate with me. And he said to me, well, Amina, whatever the price you are going to give, we will acknowledge it. So why not take advantage? Okay? So instead of 137.70, this Doribar, I might give you 8%. Instead, from the world market price, 8% equivalent to 137.70, more than that. So if you buy now, keep it, I might consider to give you 126,684 out of 137.70. At the end of the day, you're a winner. Now, you're gonna say, oh, very good price, Walamina. Yes, because you convince Walamina, you show me your credential. Your credential will signify that you are a real end buyer. Without your credential, you are not convincing Walamina. You're not. Now you're gonna say, Walamina, send me the procedure. The procedure is in front of you. Read it first. Go through. Digest it properly. Then when you comprehend, come for conference and open your camera because I'm going to interview you. Now remember, the price changes every day. Now if you confirm your order today, I will fix it. Whether next week you purchase, I will fix it. But I will only give you 14 days the price that I have given you, which is 126,684, good for 14 days only. Okay? So after 14 days, we will change the price. So there's a saying, supply and demand determine the price. So take advantage of the price today because the price of gold will bounce back. It's almost 5,000 already. So on Monday, could be 5,200 per ounce. So in dollars term, use your calculator. I know you've been watching the world market because you're scared. Buy now, keep it, and hold it. Then when the price goes up, sell it, you make handsome profit. This is what the big company are doing. They don't scared about the price is down. They are taking advantage of the price of down. They are buying by bulk and then they keep it. And then when the price goes up, bingo, they get handsome profit. You're going to say, well, Mina, do you think I'm going to get the profit? Of course you will get the profit. Of course. You will not buy gold if you don't get the profit. You must remember, paper money versus solid money. Without gold, the central bank cannot print the paper money because the central bank needs the reserve. Gold is an asset. Gold is money, solid money. Your dollar, our dollar, have no value if there is no gold reserve. Now you must remember, the necklace that I'm using, the raw material is coming from Africa. I was in Dubai. I only stopped over in Dubai to meet my client. I went to Gold Souk. Most of the Gold Souk shop owned by Indian. Why the Indian are in Dubai? Because if they're gonna bring the gold to India, they're gonna hit of the importation tax. The tax in Dubai is tax haven free. In India, the importation tax is 10 to 15%. All right, so what the Indian are doing, they flew to Dubai, they registered their company. So that is not my job. I'm just telling you. Most Indian in gold soak, the raw materials is coming from Africa. The gold landed in Africa 98%. You must remember the necklace I'm using. The raw materials coming from Africa. This is very expensive. Once it's refined, of course, the retailers will mark up their profit at least 80%. All right? So if you're really smart watching this video, you are a winner. And if you're dealing with so many chain of joker broker, you will not get the gold. I was talking to one of the buyer in Gold Souk. I went to his shop and he was telling me his sad stories. He lost money in Africa. And I told him, why you lost money in Africa? He sent money in Africa thinking that the gold will arrive. The gold didn't arrive. And also another gold trader, an Indian, and he sent his partner to Conakry. And his partner had a contact in Conakry. And he was given 1 kilo and bring it to Dubai. And then the owner of the gold say, okay, I will give you the 1 kilo. You pay me after final assay. Not knowing the gold has no paperwork. I wonder, when this buyer, on the way to the airport in Conakry, the police intercepted this Indian and carrying 1 kilo. And on the way to the airport, he was being arrested keeping 1 kilo with no paperwork. So he was in jail for 72 hours and he spent $40,000 to hire a lawyer. So one of his friends from Nairobi called me that he has a friend in trouble in Conakry. So I told him, I'm in Dubai right now. Who is that buyer? So he said, that buyer has a partner in Dubai. And I told this friend that who called me, okay, I'm in Dubai. I want to talk to the partner while I'm in Dubai. So I was talking to them. They are also Indian. And this Indian, they are refurbishing their shop. They need the supply. So the owner, he sent his partner or business partner to Conakry to get the gold. So while I was talking, I said, what happened to your partner in Conakry? I'm on the way to Conakry. And he said, oh, he was being arrested. I said, why? He carried 1 kilo. So why he carry 1 kilo? And his partner have a contact as well, Indian, live in Conakry. So the chain of middlemen or chain of illegal activities. So I told him, you are dealing with dangerous business because in Conakry, when you take the gold without paperwork, you're gonna be arrested. Or maybe the owner of the gold, he called the police that you steal your partner, stole the gold from them. Why the police knows that your partner have gold? So the owner of the gold mine did call the police. This is my explanation because it is very logic. Why he was being intercepted? The owner of the gold maybe called the police that his gold was being stolen. Bingo, he was being arrested. He spent $40,000 to hire a lawyer. So I arrived in Conakry. I asked the friend to call me. I invited this Indian to have a dinner. They're shaking. And I told him, relax. At least you spent $40,000 to hire the lawyer. Relax, have a dinner with me. He's still shaking. And I told him, why are you shaking? Why you were being arrested? He explained to me what he did. His fellow Indian who live in Conakry, is the one who introduced to that illegal owner of the gold, thinking they can make a profit. Yes, you can make a profit, but why did you carry the gold? This is what I have said during the meeting at Kalum Hotel. Why did you carry the gold? Why did you not ask the receipt that the owner of the gold is giving you the receipt? He said, no, I was not given. They just gave it to me to bring it to Dubai. I told him, that is your fault. So that was the story I'm sharing you. So the owner of the gold, the owner of the shop that they are refurbishing in gold shop was really angry. And they lose money. I said, well, because you're also crook. This is what I said. Well, because you think that the gold will come to you, it was in your partner's hand, no paperwork. You are also one of the crook. So what happened? Disaster. So he said, can you help me? Yes, I can help you, but I need to know your credential. Because we don't sell 1 kilo, at least 10 kilos. So he said that he will think about it. Okay, think about it. Because I'm not here to convince you. I'm not. Your friend from Nairobi called me and your partner has a problem in Conakry. So I'm not here to convince anybody. My seller has gold. I am your business facilitator. The seller hired Wilhelmina in order to market to the world. Now, if you're watching this video, you're lucky. And if you don't like my toughness, it's okay. Because I'm not here to convince you to get the gold from Africa. If you have money, you pay for it. And then I will guide you, and we need to travel together. When I travel, yes, I do charge my services. You're gonna say, well, Amina, how much you charge? At the moment, I'm charging you $20,000 for me to travel with you to cover my expenses. I would not travel for free. In this world, my love, there is no free. No, there is no free in this world. If you have the money, you can travel, you can pay the gold. And if you cannot afford to pay my $20,000, meaning to say you're crook. Yeah, because look, when we purchase the product, we always pay in advance. This is not advance. You are paying my services to be with you. And before you pay my services, I'm going to gather your vital information first. Copy of your business registration, importation license, passport copy, the proof of fund, and money laundering certificate. You need to show it to me. And then I'm going to vouch it. I'm going to review it. And then I will send it to the head office that I have given you the price today of 126,684. I already given you a discount. You must remember. Then you keep on bargain. I might reject you because I know when you resell this gold, you make profit. Now, take advantage while the price is gold. Remember a few seconds ago, I said the big company are taking advantage when the gold is out, when the gold is down. They are buying by bulk. They control it, they keep it, and when the gold is high, they resell it to their own customer. Right? So you're buying wholesale from us. We are in control. There's a saying, he who has the gold makes the rules. Your paper money has no value without gold. The central bank cannot print paper money if there is no gold reserve. So gold is very important. Gold is an asset you are purchasing. Now, I am also an asset because Wilhelmina will guide you. Wilhelmina will help you. Now, as I've said to you, I do charge my services of $20,000. Okay? Non-refundable. So when I consult my lawyer sent me the invoice. Only to send an email, communicate with my lawyer per hour. My lawyer charged me $550 per minute. Okay? So, you're asking me for free. When I contacted my lawyer to defend me because there was a buyer that he bullied me from United Kingdom. He thinks he's smarter. I'm smarter than this buyer from United Kingdom. So, I have my lawyer. So, you don't need to bully me because I'm telling you, you are going to spend You are going to spend money. So it's better you communicate with Wilmina properly because my services is non-refundable. I only invoice you when everything, the contract, you will receive the contract, you will receive the seller's vital information after I gather your credential. Then we will send you the contract. I will gather your email, contact number, WhatsApp, because we're gonna do that in the contract because your registration has no proper contract. So I'm going to gather all vital necessary information to put that on the contract, and we will send it to you, and then you review it, and then you sign it. That is the time I'm going to invoice you. Not like my lawyer. My lawyer, when they communicate with me, they charge me in advance. They charge me $550 just to make an email to send it to my idiot buyers from United Kingdom. Can you imagine that? So I'm very kind and generous. So guys, if you're watching me, don't bully me. You don't need to bully me because I'm not here to entertain your bully. I'm going to sue you instead. Right? So don't bully me. It's better you act as a professional. When you come for conference, you open your camera because I need to know who you are. I'm going to analyze you. I'm using business psychology. If you don't meet the criteria, I'm going to say, I'm sorry, reject. Okay? And don't be scared because once you open your camera, my computer automatically recorded. Why? Because if you muck around with me and my seller, then we know where to expose you. Yeah? That's the reason why you have to be prompt. Because once I take you to Africa, every move in Africa, when I take you, I always record it. I always take a picture in order for me to have a file. And I will be giving you a file. So you don't need to scare, you don't need to hide yourself. Okay? So I think I already explained to you. By the way, today is April 4. Okay? Did you ask forgiveness to the Lord? Because the Lord was being persecuted by his enemy. You might be my enemy if you muck around with me. And Lord was being crucified by his enemy. But Jesus is full of forgiveness. Today, the Lord is risen. Yeah? I'm a Catholic. I'm very religious. So you don't need to be worried because God is always with us. You don't need to be crook. Be straightforward. You don't need to lie because there's no point to lie. You need to tell me, okay, Wilhelmina, I have $1 million. I want to invest gold. Will you help me? Yes, I'm helping you, but I'm charging you my services of $20,000, non-refundable. Now, before the gold will rise to 6,000, I will increase my services to 25,000 end of this year. Take advantage, purchase now while the price is gold, while the price gold is down. All right, thank you very much. Have a pleasant good morning to you, or good evening, or good afternoon, because we have a time difference. So I hope you understand. Now, do not ask to send you a full corporate offer. Click below, subscribe. You're gonna watch this video on my YouTube channel and also on my Facebook. I put picture. I put the message on the picture in order for you to analyze, comprehend it. Then you come back. I don't deal buyers time waster. I don't deal buyer already on the ground, and I don't deal chain of joker broker. I prepare to deal the buyer directly so that the buyer will make a decision direct to the point. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good morning. Today is April 4, which is Saturday. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good morning and good evening to you. If you bump to this video, we have a time difference. See you on live video conference. By the way, if you are from Dubai, you might download on Botim. I want to see you. Open your camera. Don't be scared because it's better to interview live video call.